Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on Windows 10 and 11. I'm currently using Windows 10, but this should also work for your Windows 11. First, what we're going to do is to do a right click on the Start or Windows icon and click on Run right here. This window will pop up and what we're going to type is ncpa.cpl. Once you have typed that, click on OK. And network connections should be opened up. Now you might have few options right here. Make sure you know the name of the internet you are using. For example, I'm using this one. Select the internet you are using and right click on it and click on disable. Once that is disabled, you right click on it again and click on enable. And it will restart the connection and see if that worked. If that did not work, what we're going to do is to search for CMD and command prompt will pop up and we are going to run it as administrator. Click on yes, and I'm going to paste in the commands in the description box below. So here are the commands. First, we're going to copy the first one and paste it in the command prompt. Next, winsock reset catalog. Once you have pasted that in, hit enter, and that should reset the network adapter. Do the same for the second one. Copy and paste it on the command prompt and hit enter, and that will also reset the network adapter. And for the third one, IP reset, it will reset the IP. Paste it and hit enter. Once you have done those 3 commands, you have to exit all of these and restart your computer and see if your problem on your Wi-Fi has been solved. And that is how you can basically fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on Windows 10 and 11. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.